This is Ngobotini 10 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. My brother, how's it?
I'm good in yourself, my brother.
Good, thanks, man. The game
Yeah.
today, how do you feel about the game?
No, the game was very exciting. I mean, the atmosphere. This was good for football.
Yeah.
It was good for football business. Obviously, it was more of an outing,
Yeah.
especially for us that don't belong to any particular team.
You're
But
neutral. I can see like you were not even minging or you're not worried. Yeah.
no, very much open and free. But to be honest with you, I was supporting. I was a bit biased to Kaizer Chiefs. I was supporting Kaizer Chiefs
Yeah, yeah.
in considering of their recent or their past performances. Obviously, I had to pick a team that is coming from behind. You know, they have not been doing well in the coming years. I mean, Sundowns has proven they've been the champions of this league for 7 years in a row. And as an Orlando Pirates fan, I wouldn't want Sundowns to win. But not to say that I've got much of an issue since they've won. But just for football, I think it would be good had they lost, because remember, this is a team that has been proving of recent that they can win the league. If they win, it's disadvantageous for us Orlando Pirates. Then it means we have to catch them. Since we are playing tomorrow, you know, they stretch the league just a bit. But
You're under pressure, yeah.
yeah.
And you're playing Richards Bay, you know, your hoodie team also. Yeah.
Exactly. I mean, a team that has just got a sponsor of 100 million.
Exactly,
I mean, the guy who gave them the sponsor is a friend and a business partner to Florentino, the chairman of Real Madrid.
Yeah.
So you can tell that the boys will be motivated. They'll want to win us such millions.
Yeah.
But I think Kaizer Chiefs should draw some confidence. They should be excited by the performance. They can go back home with excitement to say no. They can see that they've got a structure, they've got a philosophy, they've got a coach who knows how to play on and off the ball. You know, football is also played off the ball. You need to be tactically disciplined. We saw they are good with zonal marking. They don't give you space. You know, hence Sundowns couldn't really break them. Sundowns just they perfected finishing.
Time.
But if you can tell, the Sundowns, I mean, Kaizer Chiefs had more clear chances.
Yeah.
If they were more clinical, they were supposed to score 3 or 4.
Exactly.
So anyway, I think Kaizer Chiefs should raise their heads up and be excited by this league. I mean, Nabi is such a character. He's very controversial. He's the number one fan of these guys.
Exactly.
You could tell that is really bringing them up. But the introduction of Vilagazi, really, I mean, the boy is really proving to be a bit old in terms of play.
Maturity,
I mean,
yeah.
maturity. He's carrying the team.
Yeah.
You know, he carried the team very well. You could tell that the boy is really hungry to play football. He's well composed when he's got the ball. He can play those 1-2. But for me, I don't know if it's an issue of stamina or anything. But Njabulo Blom for me was supposed to be in this game.
Yeah.
He was supposed to be an
Supposed to
important.
start,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I mean, if you talk about the likes of Castillo for me, Castillo could have been very important also. I think Yusuf Mart could have been given a break. This game was not for everyone. It was a bigger game. Like even for me, position 10 is not for everyone either. I think Serino should have been brought into playing that role rather than a winger. You needed someone who can carry the team going
The
forward.
anchor,
To become that person in the front four. You understand? To marshalling, because obviously you need such a player to give you those passes in the short space. But Chivaviro, for me, he was very exceptional. Played very well. You can tell that if he was playing with Dupree, a player that would always be coming, drawing from deep, as he would collect those balls and hold them up. He needed someone that would have pace into coming and just reaching and unlocking those passes. I think Dupree could have even given you 3 goals for me.
Exactly.
Yeah, so but anyway, you learn from such experiences. But Nabi is such a chef. Yeah, he really cooked very well. Unfortunately, the execution, he's got, a short space with the guy. I mean, short time and stuff. And I mean, who plays with Kaizer? I mean, with Sundowns 2-1 thriller.
Exactly. Yeah.
It really showed that they really showed character.
Yeah, going forward, what do you think Nabi should do? You know, his approach going to other games. We know, like today it was a big game, category A game.
Yeah.
But with other category B, C's, what approach must he bring? Must he bring this approach, or must he make few changes going forward?
No, he needs to bring the very same approach. But obviously, having played this game, he has seen who were the players that were not supposed to start off the bench. Like I can give you his double pivots. He was supposed to be using Castillo
Yeah.
and Jabulo Blom. That should be his seasonal
Yeah.
double pivot.
Yeah.
Yes, but the back four, I think they were exceptional.
Perfect.
I mean, your Cross, Dodley, everyone was exceptional. And they've got a very good goalkeeper, to be honest with you. They've got a top goalkeeper. Ndwari, top goalkeeper, because he's very comfortable on the ball. You know, if you compare him to a player, and you check how comfortable he is with the ball, and you check a player that is an on-field player cannot be comfortable on the ball,
Yes, he is,
while a goalkeeper is so comfortable with the ball, whereby if he loses the ball, I mean, it then creates a goal. But he's so comfortable. But I think Nabi will go back and watch on this clip.
Yeah.
But you could tell that he needs to play this boy Vilagazi more. He should give him more time. He can carry. I mean, the boy is brave.
They must just throw him in the deep end.
Throw him.
Like
Throw the
Mofokeng.
ball.
Look at really what he's doing at Pirates.
Yes,
Yeah.
you understand. The boy is proving that he can carry the team.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
but anyway, obviously, he had to give him the second half. I think he should have introduced him more earlier, maybe in the 50th minute or something.
Yeah.
The boy is brave. He's always going. I mean, he's got those long
Ball
range.
player.
Yeah.
I saw him, picking at the place that side. Yeah.
Those wide players. Even if you can check that controversial game, that goal rather, controversial goal.
Yeah.
It was him who set that ball into the box, and it was intentional. It was intent. You could tell that the boy. I mean, the finishing was also superb. But anyway, I don't want to get into the controversy of that. But for me, even the referee, there's an element whereby, I mean, you can tell. Pella, remember, referees don't ref games just by refereeing. They've got the technical approach of game. You can tell that Kaizer Chiefs, their anchorman or their key player would be Serino, and I think it was unfair for him to give him a yellow card. Like that at the start. I mean, it raises some questions, But anyway, I don't want to over dwell on that. All I can say, it was a very thriller game.
Thank you very much, my brother. All the best against Richards Bay tomorrow.
All right. Anyway, with us, you just asked us how many goals are we going to win with. It's not a matter of asking whether we're going to win or not. It's given.
But remember, as I said, it's your hoodoo team. Last season, they beat you. Is it Nedbank Cup? They took 3 points. It was very bad. It was very bad. Even though they nearly got relegated, but they made sure that they take few points from you, and also and knocked you out from the thing, from the knockout.
No. We always respect our opponents. But what I can tell you is, like my coach has said last season, to say Sundowns doesn't lose. They're a point machine. And always when there's in the recent times when there's a controversy of penalties and stuff, it always comes into their favor. So you must understand, in order to win the league, you must not drop points, because Sundowns will always be favored somehow.
Exactly.
Whether it's by default or anyhow, it doesn't matter either way. So I think it's very important that you understand that if you compete against Sundowns, you need to collect maximum points. So that's why your Patrick Tito Maswangani, I mean, people, what people say is what we do. What people wish for. Like your Kaizer Chiefs would say, hey, we are playing in Spain. As we don't wish, we go there. You understand? Everything, all these teams, what they dream about, we make a reality of it. You see, when we say, where Tito, where Tito, they don't even find the rhythm. We've got sound engineers in our teams. We don't just go and say, Serino. We've got tunes. You understand? So everything, all these teams that they dream about, we make a reality of it. They dream having girlfriends. We have girlfriends. Yes. They dream all these things. They dream. Yes.
But let's hope
we live a reality of their dreams.
They live their dream. When you live you live their dream also.
We don't use buses. We fly.
You fly. Thank you, my brother. All the best.